Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to make these cute, simple homecoming mum bows. These are all made out of acetate ribbons or polysatins. All you need is a stapler in your regular homecoming mum ribbons, which I know you have. And I did them out of different widths of ribbon so you could see the difference. If you pre-cut the ribbon, you're gonna have to make the loops a certain size. So if you just work off your spool, if you have a spool of this, then it'll just be a lot easier to do. So I'm gonna try and get this right. I'm just gonna make a loop, and I wanna pinch it, I wanna hold on to it and make sure that one's in the middle. Then I make another loop right here. So this one's going up and this one's going down. And when you're working with two of them, it's a little bit harder. You have to make sure that one stays in the middle. So you can do this with just one ribbon if you want. So I'm gonna make another loop. So I've got two loops up high and one down bottom. Then I'm going to make one more loop like this. Now you can see this one's a little bit longer, so I'm just going to pull on that. Adjust it till I get it where I want it. So when you turn it, you've got your two streamers on the bottom and your two loops on the side. And you're just constantly keeping it held together in the middle like this. And before you staple it, you can adjust it if you want to put the loops closer together or if you like them spread out further, however you like it. Just make sure all the ribbons are in the middle and everything's where you want it. And take your stapler, and these work the best, they're the easiest to work with. And I'm going to hold it and make sure that I've got it where every ribbon is going to be stapled. If you don't get them all, go ahead and give it a second staple. Now you can cut the ends however you want. This is the easiest. And I like to make sure that the bottom ribbon is down just a little bit further than the top one so you can see it. Do that one more time. And I just pull those off and hot glue that right there and just push it on there. You can even cut that back if you need to.